Hello everyone, my name is Nikhilesh. I welcome you to my channel RPA Technohub. In today's session, we're going to learn about sort data table activity in UiPath along with a simple use case. Before we get started, let me just show you one sample Excel sheet that I got. Let's assume you scraped out certain sales order details from the customer portal and the report came out to be like this. And now your client doesn't want the report to be like this. Instead, he wants sales orders to be placed on the basis of quantity in descending order. So if you observe here, so the quantities are placed in jumbling order, right? 2, 4, 15, wherein he wants them to be placed in descending order. And also the second report to be in the way where the products to be grouped together. Okay, so if you observe here on the fourth row, there is washing machine product. And again, it is present in 11th row. These are also placed in jumbling order. So wherein he wants products to be grouped together, TV to be at one place and then ASIS to be at one place and that way. So let's see how we can achieve this using sort data table activity in UiPath. So let me just save it. So report 1 and report 2 doesn't have any data in it, right? So let me just close it. Yeah. So here I'm reading that Excel sheet into my UiPath data table called report DT, and I have created two more variables called quantity sorted and product sorted, right? So now what do you need to do? So I need to look for sort data table activity. Under data table, you got sort data table, right? Just drag and drop that. And so what is the input? So input is where your data is present. My data is present in report DT, that is this one. Just mention that as input. So I want to sort this data table and I want to store it in quantity sorted. So I want to do the quantity, right? First, I want to do the quantity based sorting. So what is the column name? So if I just open it, just to be doubly sure, I'm taking the same name. I'm just copying the same name. Okay, so that there won't be any error. And on what order do you want to sort it? On descending order. Okay, I want to sort that on the basis of descending order. We're good there. And now the second report. So just drag and drop sort data table again, and again specify the input data table. So that is report DT, report data table. And what is the data table that you want to store in after sorting? So that is product sorted, right? Just specify product sorted. So I already created these both tables, right? Yeah, I'm just selecting that product sorted data table. And which column this time? I want product, right? Just copy product. You can also give the index. So let's say 0, 1, 2. This time I'm going to give index. Okay, so let's go with index this time. So index, and then in which order? So it doesn't matter, ascending or descending order, but the products will be grouped together, right? So we're good there. And now to validate that, I'm just going to write that into the new sheets, right? So just look for right range under file, just drag and drop that and specify the file path. That means workbook path, Excel workbook path, that is in here. And then in which sheet? So that is report 1. Let me just copy this. So and paste it in here. Report 1, which data to be written into this particular sheet? So that is quantity sorted data table, right? Quantity sorted, the first one. And then I need to write again the second report, right? So into the same workbook file, file path, and what is the sheet name? That is report 2. I have report 1 in my clipboard, so I'll just delete it. Report 1, report 2, and in the report 2, what is that he wanted? So he wanted products to be sorted, right? Products to be grouped together, right? So that will be going into report 2 sheet. Just click OK, and just make sure that you're adding headers, right? So just click on add headers, and here also, yes. So have generated two tables, right? So let me just take you through over again. So I have just read that a report sheet and I'm sorting them on the basis of quantity in descending order. And I'm storing that sorted data table into quantity sorted data table. And I'm sorting the same table, that is report DT. And here I have specified index, that is as 2. And then I'm sorting it in ascending order so that the products will be grouped together. And I'm writing those both data tables into 2 different sheets, report 1 and report 2. Let me just do a quick run and let me close this sheet first of all. All right. Yeah, I'm just saving it and closing it and just give a run in debug mode, that is F5. The execution started and execution ended, right? Let's go and check. There you go. So I got report 1. If you observe here, 15, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it got, placed in descending order. The sales order records are in descending order on the basis of quantity. And if you see the second report, right? So AC, all the ACs are grouped together, and then refrigerators are grouped, and then TVs, and then washing machine. So this is how you can use sort data table activity in UiPath. I hope the session is informative. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.